In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Copilot from Windows 11 completely. If you've decided Copilot isn't for you, or you just want a cleaner, distraction-free desktop, I'll walk you through the exact process to uninstall it using the built-in Windows settings. I'll also share a couple of tips so you know exactly what to expect along the way. First, let's open the Windows Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That instantly brings up Settings, which is where Windows manages apps, features, and system preferences. Once Settings is open, look to the left pane and select Apps. This section controls everything related to the software installed on your computer. Now click Installed Apps. This shows a full list of applications currently on your system, and we'll use it to find Copilot. On the Installed Apps page, scroll through the list or use the search field to locate Microsoft Copilot. It should appear exactly with that name. Taking a moment to use the search can save you time, especially if you have a lot of apps installed. When you see Microsoft Copilot, move your mouse over it and click the three dots to the right of the name. In the menu that appears, choose Uninstall. Windows will prompt you to confirm that you want to remove it. Go ahead and confirm. The process may take a moment and you might see a brief progress indicator. Quick note while we're here, if you ever change your mind and want Copilot back, I've placed the official Microsoft Store link right at the top of the video description, so it's easy to find. You can use that link to reinstall the app later with a single click. After the uninstall completes, Copilot will be removed from your installed apps list and will no longer be available to launch. If you were using it previously, you won't see it opening or appearing in search anymore. In some cases, Windows might ask you to close settings or confirm once more. That's normal. If you're prompted to restart, you can do that whenever convenient to make sure everything is fully cleaned up. That's all there is to it. By opening Settings, heading to Apps, going to Installed Apps, finding Microsoft Copilot, and choosing Uninstall with a confirmation, you've completely removed Copilot from your Windows 11 system. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget there's a link at the top of the description should you ever want to reinstall Copilot later. Thanks for watching.